how to fix Crunchyroll account not found option, and how to fix Crunchyroll account not found problem. First, you want to simply open the Crunchyroll app, and once you're inside the Crunchyroll app, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on this login option over here at the top right of your screen. And by doing so, you want to simply type it out your email and password over here. However, if you face a problem called account not found over here, what you basically want to do is you want to simply verify that you're using the correct email address or password over here. That you want to simply reset your password. If it asks for it, you can simply tap on forgot password over here, and by doing so, you want to simply type it out your, and after you typed it out your email and tap on send, a reset password link would be set to your email over here, and you'd be able to reset your password again, and you'd be able to sign in through your account from here once you have resetted your password. This video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.